Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use instant apps. Here my phone is running under Marshmallow. So first go to settings, then go to your Google account. Now under the services, go to instant apps. Now you have to on this toggle. Then this pop-up will come and you have to say yes, I'm in. Now you're ready to go. So in the Play Store, most of the apps don't support instant apps, but I'm gonna show you one that supports, that is BuzzFeed. So going to the BuzzFeed. So now you can see here a try now option. So click on that. So here it's showing the app without installing on my phone. See, I'm using this app not up to the full level, but I can just use it and try it out without even installing. See, I can install by clicking here. That's it, guys. That's how you use an instant apps.